Hare Krishna. How are you? And I am fine, and I hope you all are fine. So today is not I am going to say something special. Don't worry. So today is just one thing that I felt that I am telling in front of you all. Today was my examination, and basically I was not prepared for that. So on yesterday night, already I have decided that no, I will not go for the examination because already I knew one thing, that the cutoff will be high. And if the cutoff will be high, and out of 80, a person who will score more than 70 who will be selected. So I knew everything about that. So finally I have decided that I will not go there for the examination. But when today I got up in the morning, so I feel one thing, that till 9 a.m. I was not ready to take the examination. I was in very lazy mood, and because already I have decided that I don't have to go, so you can understand very well. One of the best thing, you will be able to understand that why I am explaining all these things in front of you all, my dear, my friend, my brother. So when I decided that I will not go there for the examination, so after 9 a.m. just I was feeling something negative. What I am doing, basically I should take the examination, but instead of doing that, I am doing something different. And that does not matter our examination will be good or not. But means I was realizing one thing, that I learned from my mother. जीवन में कभी व्यक्ति को हार नहीं मानना चाहिए. एंड इट इज़ द ब्यूटी ऑफ माई लाइफ. I mean, in life mein, I am not a very successful person, because already I told you all that I am also as like you, as I am also a part of till present I am a student, and I am doing something for my career. So I decided that and I was realizing that I am doing something wrong. So I was remembering my childhood, because I have been doing everything for the several years in a honest manner. So I was feeling very, उसको क्या कहते हैं आप, guilty, that I am doing something wrong. So finally, after 9 a.m., one auntie was called me. Yeah, definitely. To say waste of luck from my side. So she said, Beta, I remember today is your exam. So best of luck from my side. And definitely you will do something better. And basically you are all are as like my age, so definitely you will be able to understand that what will happen and what you did in the past already. Only and only we are the people that we can understand if you are going for the examination. So I said thank you, auntie. And from after that, just I was realizing that no, definitely, finally I am doing something wrong. And I was demoralizing. So finally I decided no, I will go for the examination. You know why I explain all these things in front of you all? The motive was that, my brother, that and sister, I want to explain one thing. I want to aware you all from the one thing. Habits should be always good. If you have a good habit, if you have a good habit and you have been doing something good, because if you are habitual to do something better, if your habit is good, based, and it is in your nature. So definitely you will find one thing that if you people starts doing something wrong, your heart will say, your surrounding will say, why you are doing something wrong, क्योंकि अभी तक तुमने कुछ गलत नहीं किया. Okay, so why you are doing like that? Not need to worry about that. So motive was only one thing, that habit should be always good. If you are habitual to do something better in your life, if you are habitual to say something good about the other, if you are not caring that whatever person can think about you, you know. So I thought, yeah, definitely I was wrong at that time. And now I'm telling you one thing. After taking the examination, I felt one thing, that I learned a lot of things from today's paper. And definitely you people will be already aware from the things. Already some minutes ago I said that I was not prepared for that, but despite this I went there for the examination. So definitely I scored like only 55 questions, and I don't know what will be the cutoff. So but one thing that I learned from there is कि जीवन में व्यक्ति को कभी हार नहीं मानना चाहिए, कभी नहीं. एग्जामिनेशंस की बात करने के लिए मैं ये वीडियो नहीं बना रहा हूँ. द मोटिव वॉज ओनली एंड ओनली टू अवेयर यू ऑल माई ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर डैट अगर हम आपके पास, मेरे पास अच्छी आदतें हैं, अगर वो बचपन में बनी, मम्मी पापा से सीख के बनी, तो डेफिनेटली when we people starts doing something non-text, when we people starts doing something wrong, when we people starts, when our mind starts diverting from the goal, so such type of things, your good activity, your good habit will indicate you, my dear, what you are doing something wrong. It was not your nature, but you are diverting. So just need to remember all those things that you already done in your past. It means कि such type of things, such type of thinkings basically try to realize you that what you are doing. So कहना यही चाहूँगा कि जीवन में अगर अच्छी आदतें हमारी शुरू से बनी हुई है, तो डेफिनेटली इट विल हेल्प यू इन एवरी फील्ड ऑफ लाइफ, एंड वी कैन लर्न मेनी मोर थिंग्स फ्रॉम देयर. यही मेरा मोटिव था जो कि मैंने आज सीखा. ये छोटी छोटी वीडियो जो मैं बना करके भेजता हूँ, ये सिर्फ आप लोग के लिए नहीं है. इट इज़ एप्लीकेबल ओनली एंड नॉट ओनली फॉर यू, फॉर मी ऑल्सो. एज आई रिमेंबर, आई एम टेलिंग 100% truth. At that time I was in ninth class, so you can imagine at that time I was approx 11 or 12 years, sorry, I was in ninth, so you can assume that, imagine that what was my age is. So I used to print 2-page magazine. Okay, so if my family member is hearing me, so he will be able to understand that I am to whom, to which about I am talking about. So basically the 2-page white page magazine was printed at that time. So I found one thing. So पापा से बहुत डरता था, तो पापा को बताया नहीं. My father was unaware from all these things. So suddenly, but I distributed all the magazines in my surrounding, and here and there, everywhere, except my father and my uncle. So my father was on the tea stall, and suddenly one of his friend came near to him and said, Mahantaji, you know one thing, that your son used to print 2-page magazine, and he wrote many more interesting thing, and basically he's a very good boy. So my father said to, किसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं, कौन सी मैगजीन, कौन सा पेज? सो उन्होंने अपनी पॉकेट से जस्ट इमर्ज द 2 page magazine from his pocket, and when my father was reading the magazine, so he was mentioning something, some points. So when he came to the home, he called me. He said me one thing that, my dear, tell me, this is very good thing that you are doing such type of thing from your childhood in the small age of your life. But I would like to tell you one thing. My father was saying such type of thing. Tell me, basically in the 2 page magazine, basically there was 20 or 25 points. I not remember. So my father was saying that, tell me one thing. Out of these 20 statements, 20 points, tell me and mark. You should mark, out of 20, how many of these points from this 20 resides in you, and you are following how many points from there. So I said, definitely I followed every points, but except one point, and that particular point was that मैंने वहां पे लिखा था कि नीम का दातुन से ब्रश करना चाहिए. माय फादर से, तुम नीम के दातुन से ब्रश करते हो? मैंने कहा नहीं. तो पापा ने कहा, इसको काट दो. You know, my brother and sister, what I learned from there, I learned one thing from that particular instant. My father awared me everything about my life, right? Knowledge is not for the other. Knowledge is only and only for you. When your knowledge will come in your implementation, when you will start contemplating all those things that you are explaining in the front of people. ज्ञान को बोलने से कोई सीखता नहीं. Along with speaking, if you are also implementing all those things, if the things is in your habit, if the things is in your, if you are habitual of that, and along with that you are telling something about the same thing, definitely people will believe in that. No need to worry about that. No doubt. People will think, yeah, definitely you are saying something good. But if you are not following all those things, and you are speaking about that, so it will be meaningless. I learned this thing from my father. And my Gurudev always says one thing, कि ज्ञान हमेशा अपने लिए होता है. Let us suppose if we people are learning something from the other, and we people starts implementing all those things in ourselves, so definitely after some time you people will feel some changes in yourself. Changes means that if you are feeling some changes, it means that you are following the things that you are learning from there. Okay, it means that now the things comes in your habit, starts coming in your habit, and day by day your knowledge will be increased, and you will find some change in yourself. Your habit will be changed, your behavior will change, everything. Now after some time you will feel that, no, I am totally different from the other. So from that day I decided that, no, first of all we should try to implement all those things that we are speaking. And after that, when all those things, when once comes in our life, in our habit, and we people becomes habitual to do that, then we people should starts giving the knowledge to the other, then it will be meaningful. Are you getting my point? यही कुछ कहना था. जीवन में आदतें अगर अच्छी है, and many times I have already told you my dear and near ones, that I am a simple person as like you. आप लोग में से बहुत लोग हमसे बहुत विद्वान हैं, मैं तो कुछ हूँ नहीं. So basically I would like to add one point. अपनी अच्छाई के लिए, अपने मज़े के लिए, समटाइम्स आई फील दैट आई हैव ए टाइम. सो कभी कभी लगता है कि कुछ मैंने जो सीखा मैं इसको वीडियो बना करके डाल दूँ. एंड छोटे छोटे वीडियो जो मैं अभी डाल रहा हूँ, इसका एक बहुत बड़ा मोटिव है. इफ़ यू पीपल आर थिंकिंग दैट आई एम डूइंग सच टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर माई पॉपुलरिटी, नहीं है. पॉपुलर होके क्या करेंगे? क्यों पॉपुलर होना? आपकी अच्छाई आपके साथ जाएगी, ठीक है? तो हमें उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं रहती. आप लोग, कुछ भी लोग जो हमसे जुड़े हैं, बस उनको मेरा प्रणाम. ऐसे ही हम लोग साथ में जुड़े रहें. कुछ कुछ जो लाइफ का अनुभव है वो मैं आपको बताता रहूँगा. आप सबको मेरा प्यार भरा प्रणाम.